Good morning children, I am Ruchika, your English teacher. In my previous video, I explained kinds of non-finite verbs. Now, I am going to explain you the infinitive. The infinitive. It is also referred to as the to verb, but it can be used with or without to. For example, I want to play. To plus first form. It is known as to infinitive. She can play chess very well. Play is a verb here. It is known as the infinitive without to. When an infinitive is used without to, it is called a bare infinitive. So children, first one is two infinitives. Infinitive, that is to plus first form. And second is the infinitive without to, that is known as a bare infinitive. I hope it is clear. Now see the rules. The infinitive without to, that is bare infinitive, it is used after modal auxiliaries. For example, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, can, could. These all are modal auxiliaries. With these we use the infinitive without to. For example, you shall accept these conditions. Now the modal auxiliary is shall. With that, don't use to. That is bare infinitive you have to use. You shall accept these conditions. See one more example. I will write to him. I will. Will is modal auxiliary. So with will, use first form the verb, that is bare infinitive. Next rule is, we use the infinitive without to after these verbs: let, make, bid, dare, need, as well as after the following verbs of perception: see, hear, watch, know, feel. For example, let me try this problem. Let me try this problem. Let is given here. With let, if let is there, use bare infinitive in that sentence. Bare means without to. The teacher made me write the application. Made. The form of make. So, use bare infinitive in this sentence. Now, the use of the to infinitive with dare and need in the following sentence. He dared to disobey the laws. He dared to disobey the laws, but he dared not disobey the laws. You need to go there, but you need not go there. It should be clear that we retain to in infinitive sentences but drop it in negative ones. When you are writing the negative sentence, then don't use to. If you are using the affirmative sentence, then use to. You need to go there. He dared to disobey the laws. We use the infinitive without to after these expressions also: had better, would rather, would sooner than, rather than. For example, you had better return my books in time. I would rather finish the whole work today. Clear? To before the infinitive is omitted after than, than, and after. But but means except. For example, she can better dance than sing. She can better dance than sing. The child did no more than cry. The child did nothing but cry. To before the infinitive is omitted after than, than, and after but. When but means except. Clear children? That's all for today. Exercise number 2 is fill in the blanks with the infinitive with or without to. It is very easy. Follow the rules and do this exercise yourself given on page number 86. Thank you. Have a nice day.